everyone, Astrophysicist here. With the weather finally starting to warm up, today I wanted to actually talk about how sunlight harms our skin and why it's so important to wear sunscreen. Our sun produces light, but not just the kind you can see with your eyes. It makes lower energy light, like infrared light, and it also makes higher energy light, like UV rays, X-rays, gamma radiation. All of the types of high energy light are bad for you. Now, here on Earth, we have this neat little thing called the atmosphere. The atmosphere protects us from gamma rays and X-rays and some UV rays, but not all. The remaining UV rays are what give us sunburn, and I want to talk about exactly how that happens. Light is a wave. The closer the crests are together, the more energy the wave carries. So if you were in a pool and you wanted to make water wave with your hand, you would have to put more energy into making really fast waves. Same with light. The distance between crests is called a wavelength. So the wavelength of visible light is about 400 to 700 nanometers. That's about 1,000th of the width of a skin cell. For UV light, the wavelength is about 100 nanometers. Stick with me. If the wavelength of the light, 100 nanometers, is the same size as the thing it is interacting with, the DNA molecule, it can destroy that thing. UV light damages DNA because it's the same size as DNA. Now, every molecule of DNA is 6 feet long and contains billions of base pairs. The human genome is pretty complicated, as it turns out. So every time a strand of DNA is damaged and needs to be replaced, that gives your body about 3 billion opportunities to make a mistake. You're basically playing Russian roulette, except the bullet is a strand of DNA that tells the skin cell to reproduce forever. Skin cancer. So there you have it. UV light has the correct wavelength to damage DNA. Much of the human race has adapted to prolonged UV exposure, but if you're pasty like me, and even if you're not, sunscreen's your best friend. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments, and I'll see you next time.